Hello, I'm James Dials, the co-founder of Neeve, where cleaning services are on demand. Neeve is a service platform which provides on-demand cleaning professionals for homeowners using supply and logistics technology. In 2020, the U.S. commercial cleaning and maintenance service industry reached $117 billion. We have the potential to provide logistics and customers to over 1.4 million establishments. Currently, due to COVID-19, cleaning businesses are overwhelmed but can't keep up. Some businesses are even 3 to 4 weeks behind on scheduling. We are making this process more efficient by sending a fully equipped cleaning professional to your doorstep in less than an hour. Our target audience is homeowners and landlords in need of cleaning professionals. Currently, our founder, Gabe, works with several landlords and cleaning professionals. He is the middleman and connects both the landlords and cleaning professionals. One major issue that he noticed is the lack of communication between the two parties. Neeve will step in and solve this problem. Our product will provide a faster and cleaner way to connect homeowners to cleaning professionals. Here we have our wireframe for our MVP. The first page is the login page for the customer side. This is where they can create their account or log in if they already have an account. And if they forget their password, they can reset it here. The second page is the home page. Here the customers are able to select the house that they would like cleaned from the list of their houses. They can request a maid with one click after choosing the level of cleaning they would like. For the third page, the payment history is displayed, showing the customer all of their previous transactions. Here we will compare the two closest apps on the market compared to Neeve. The first criteria is on-demand service, which is provided by both Neeve and Maids app. Handy does not provide on-demand and in fact only allows for reoccurring cleaning packages. Since both Neeve and Maids app have both on-demand service and one-time cleaning options, let's differentiate between Neeve and Maids app. Maids app hires on maids and pays them an hourly wage of $22 an hour. What differentiates us is all about Neeve's contractor-based system. Our contracted cleaning professionals will be paid based on house cleaning commissions earned by properly cleaning the home. Since Maids app hires on maids, they all start from an office or central location and then go to the job. With Neeve, our contractors can go online from anywhere that has access to Neeve. This allows for quicker arrival times on cleaning professionals since there is a higher chance of someone being closer to the job rather than a central office. Our customers are the landlords and the homeowners who need their home cleaned. Our contractors are the cleaning professionals hired to clean them. Neeve will be charging a 15% convenience fee per transaction that will be deducted from the employee's commission. This commission is based on our research. We'll be charging customers based on amount of bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage of the place being cleaned. Let's take an example for one transaction. The transaction is $140, therefore the contractor will earn $119. Neeve will profit $21 from this transaction. Let's take a look at Tampa's population. They have a population of 399,700 people. If we assume that 1/3 of those people are homeowners, that is 133,000 homeowners. If each one of these homeowners gets a service of $100 per month, Neeve will profit about $300,000 a month. With the proper scaling, this model will generate significant revenue. We currently have the login and sign up page, where customers and employees can successfully log in and create an account with us. We are currently expecting to have an MVP by August 2021. We currently have several customers and contractors that we are working with that are willing to integrate our app into their business. We currently work with them as a third party where we connect both customers and contractors manually. We will use the Jabble funding for development, marketing, legal team, database storage, and scaling. For development, we'll hire software engineers and digital designers. For marketing, social media, physical kiosks and Google Ads. Lawyers, liability insurance, and contractor tax form. We would need help with database storage cost, marketing to expand the amount of cleaning professionals in our app, and get our brand out there, scaling our business. Our team is currently comprised of the founder Gabriel Tavares and the co-founder James Dials. This will conclude our presentation of Neeve. Thank you for your time.